Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new to my channel, my name is BlancaEstelaBeauty. Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you are new. If you're new, hello. I do upload 3 times a week, so you don't want to miss out on that. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my Yes or Yes March box, and I was pretty excited. I got some really good stuff. This month's box value. So this month's box value is $170, which I was like, bitch, because they send you full-size products for only $12 a month. Like, why wouldn't you get it? Why wouldn't you get it? So I'm gonna show you guys what I do with my videos. I'm gonna show you guys what's inside the box. First, I'm gonna show you what the box looks like. Okay, so this is what the actual box looks like. And then this is the inside. So I'm going to pull out each product one by one and show you guys what it is and all of that. So the first thing that I pull out is by Beauty Cocoa. I think that's how you, yeah. Beauty Cocoa. It says it's a powder for teeth whitening. Okay. This is what it looks like. Supposed to be a powder, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. Oh, it has a seal. I'm just going to take this off. Actually, don't want to take it off because I don't want to make a mess because it's a powder. But I will do a video on it because I actually heard about this and I heard it was pretty good, so I want to try it out. And then that came with the brush. The brush came in here. This is the packaging of the brush. And oh, this is what the brush looks like. I'm actually pretty excited to try this out because it's for whitening your teeth. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and read about this real quick. So the brand is called Beauty Cocoa Smile. So this is their starter kit, which retails for $54.95. But if you go to the website right now, it is on sale for $49.95. This Beauty Cocoa Smile starter kit contains our 100% natural activated charcoal polish and our bamboo charcoal toothbrush. Together they work to bring you a naturally bright smile. Well, I'm gonna have to try it out. I'm actually pretty excited about that. So this retails for, how much did I say? $54, almost $55 for this. Whoa, $55. What? Damn. Next thing I'm going to pull out is an eyeshadow palette. And this one is by AZEREDO Cosmetics. And this one is their eyeshadow palette Go Natural. Yeah. And it's still in its packaging. I'm going to go ahead and take it out. Whoa. That is pretty. This is what the actual palette looks like, and it comes with a brush. It actually looks really pretty. Oops. That is a really pretty palette. Nice. On the back, it tells you it comes with 12 eyeshadows and the name of all the eyeshadows. Retails for $45. $45 for this. That is amazing. Like, the hell? These are a must-have because they have two palettes. It's this neutral one, and then they have kind of like a colorful one. Wait, is it colorful? It's not colorful, but the packaging is more colorful. Bella Pierre's eyeshadow palettes are a must-have for your makeup bag, providing all the advantages of loose Bella Pierre shimmer powders without a mess. It is really pretty. I'm actually excited to try it out because I don't really have these shades in other eyeshadow palettes. So yeah. Next products are also from Bella Pierre, and it's from their complete nail care system, and it retails for $75. And then it comes with this thingy. So the first thing is a hand and body lotion, and it's infused with natural botanical extracts and essential oils. Let's smell it. Damn it, it has a seal. Okay. Oh, it actually smells really good. And then it comes with a nail filer, which I actually use these a lot. And then it comes with this magic buffer. This one right here. And then it comes with a cuticle treatment. Oh, sweet almond oil and aloe vera. Oh, this is so cool. It smells pretty good actually. So you're supposed to put this on your cuticles. I'm actually gonna do that later because my nails finally came off. So yeah. Okay. It retails for $75. Bella Pierre Precious Diamonds Complete Nail Care System contains everything you need to keep your nails looking healthy, buffed, and polished, while leaving your hands soft, smooth, and beautiful. Included in the kit is our diamond texture nail file, exclusive 4-way nail buffer, vitamin-infused sweet almond cuticle treatment oil, and our luxurious hand and body lotion for a perfect at-home manicure treatment. Nice. I'm actually excited to try that, girl. Or actually a pair of sunglasses, which is actually the first time I get sunglasses. I don't really own sunglasses, and that's probably because I'm really picky. Like, I can never find sunglasses I like. This is what they look like. They're pretty big. I'm gonna see how they look like. Do you guys think they go with me? Tell me down in the description box. I think they're a little bit too big, but I'm probably just gonna wear them to drive because of the sun. But you know, it's pretty cool. They didn't mention they were gonna send me these, but I'm not complaining. You know, they're sunglasses. It's cool. So that is everything that came in the box. I'm actually excited to try everything in the box. $170 for everything in there, and I only paid $12. My God, it's like shocking. And they keep saying that they're gonna like add more brands and stuff, and I'm just like so excited for the future of Yes or Yes. I'm just like, yes. So that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are interested in finding out more about Yes or Yes, I will link the website down below. Also their Instagram. I do have a discount code if you guys want to use it. You guys can get 10% off your first box only. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye guys.